Hello friends, I am Hitesh. Welcome you all on our YouTube channel. Today we are going to study about one topic of an IC engine, that is scavenging. So let's start with what is scavenging. The clearing or sweeping out of the exhaust gases from the combustion chamber of the cylinder is known as scavenging. Scavenging is a process of removing the exhaust from the engine cylinder. Now first question arises in our mind, why it is required in two-stroke engine. As you see, this is the figure of two-stroke engine. As we know, in four-stroke engine, for removal of exhaust gases, there is a separate exhaust stroke, while in two-stroke engine, there is no separate exhaust stroke. So in two-stroke engine, special care is required for removing exhaust gases from engine cylinder. In two-stroke engine, very short interval of time is available for removing the exhaust from cylinder, and also there is possibility of exhaust remaining inside the cylinder mixed with the fresh charge. Therefore, fresh charge is diluted. This is known as a poor scavenging. Also, as suction and exhaust take place simultaneously, some of the fresh charge goes out through exhaust port without combustion, which will lead to fresh charge loss and increase emission. Better scavenging means maximum amount of exhaust gases removed from the cylinder. So why better scavenging is necessary? Following difficulties arise due to poor scavenging in IC engine. Let's discuss one by one. Incomplete combustion due to fresh charge dilution result in higher exhaust emission and loss of power. Low thermal efficiency. Increase wear of piston and cylinder liners due to contamination of lubricating oil, which reduce the quantity of lubricating oil. High temperature and greater stress on the cylinder walls due to high rate of wear. Now moving on, the next is, what are the types of scavenging? Let's discuss one by one. First type is uniflow scavenging. In this method, as you see, the fresh charge is entering the cylinder from both the side or from only one side. This fresh charge pushes the burned gases out the cylinder from the exit valve. This valve is placed on the top of the cylinder. In this method, both fresh charge and burned gases goes up as shown in the figure. Second method is, this type is loop flow scavenging. This is also known as the backflow scavenging. In this method or type, inlet and outlet ports are on the same side of the cylinder. The fresh charge enters the cylinder, then it makes a loop shape. As you see in the figure, it's make a loop shape. This loop is helping in exhausting of the burn gases. The third type is cross flow scavenging. In this method, inlet and outlet ports are opposite to each other. Piston crown is designed especially in this method. With this design, the fresh charge is going in upward direction and burned gases are exhausted out in the cross flow. So friends, this is the entire discussion of scavenging. We discussed about the all methods of scavenging. Hope you understand all the points and it's working. Here are some important questions related to our topic scavenging. Please look into it. Here are some more questions. And if you want to share your answers, find the link given in the description box. Till then, we will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Thank you so much.